How to make a poster in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you guys can create a poster in Canva. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. First step. Open up your web browser and head over to canva.com. After you're on your canva.com, you can then create a new project. So if you scroll here, you'll find Explore Templates section where you'll find Poster. So tap on this, and after you tap on it, you'll be prompted to a Posters section where you'll find a lot of different poster templates available for your every need. So if you are hiring, you can use this template. You can find different hiring templates available. You can also find any tournaments. You can find something for festive season and everything. So find the template that you need. So let's say that you're hiring. So you'll just have to tap on one that you find and like, and then you can use the template. You can also search for any type of templates from here. So you can just search for it. And yeah, now after you open up any template, you can tap and customize this template and you'll be able to make edits to it. So just let it load. And now all you have to do is make the edits. You can change the name. So type in your company name. After you type in your company name, you can then make all the necessary edits like informations and everything, and can also change the colors from the background. So just click on the background or the space that you want to change and you'll find this pop up. Tap on the colors option. You can change the colors. There you can see, so you can find different colors that you like, and yeah, you can start making edits to it. You can also group multiple stuff together and then make edits completely to multiple things at once. And after you're done, tap on the share button and then you can copy the link or download it. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.